Hello again. I'm gonna try this cold start. It's probably about, I don't know, only about 28 degrees outside. It's not that cold, but we're gonna try to see how the ready start Briggs & Stratton works. Their cold startup. As you see, I don't have to fiddle with any levers. We're just gonna pull the rope and see what it does. I can't guarantee this one. The other one I could. Automatic for you. Auto choke system. Horse shit. Watch this. I'll get it to start. Helps if you turn it on. Excuses, right? There you have it. Smooth and flawless. Briggs & Stratton for you. I got the brand new muffler, no custom. Yeah, it walks a little bit. Needs a third bolt. Not bad though, eh? My handy little kill switch. Ooh, sounds good, don't it? Alright, thanks.